Hi, my name is Sam Schroeder. I'm the new SpeakUp project manager here at Project Tomorrow. Welcome to this brief tutorial on how to register your school or district for the 24-25 SpeakUp Research Initiative. You will navigate to speakup.tomorrow.org to register. You can also find that link on our SpeakUp project webpage. You will click Register Now, choose your state. You may either register your whole district or an individual school. You will type in the name of your school or district and choose it from the drop-down list. Click Select. Enter your first name, last name, job title, and your email address where you would like your credentials sent. This will also be used to log into your admin portal once you are registered. So please use your professional email address when registering. Click Register. You will receive this notification: your school or district is now registered. And if you registered before 7 p.m. Eastern Time, you should receive an email with your credentials the same day. If not, you can expect it from us next day. Then you can head to your email inbox and you will find an email that looks something like this from speakup@tomorrow.org that will contain your username, your temporary password, and the administrator login page link. You can navigate there, enter your credentials, click Login. You'll create a new password. That will be your permanent password. Save, and then continue. And from here, you are all registered.